Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our class. Oh, how are you? Okay, fine. Today, what is your class? Right. What is your class? Your which lesson? Fifth lesson. Very good. Right. Before going to the new topic, just what we learned, just we recall. What is our previous class? Very good. The climate of India. Right. Climate of Europe. Very good. What is the climate of Europe? What? Very good. Cold climate. Okay. Africa, Europe has cold climate. Right. So the climate of Europe mainly influenced on very good Atlantic Ocean. Second one, very good westernized winds. Third one, warm currents. Warm currents. Fourth one, Mediterranean Sea. Very good, Mediterranean Sea. These four areas are influenced the climate of Europe, right? So the climate is not uniform in all Europe. Yes, okay. So the climate of Europe is different from the east to and the northern Europe than west and southern Europe. These two are different. The western Europe and the southern Europe climate is different than the eastern and the northern. Why? Because these two are influenced by the Atlantic Ocean, the western winds, and the warm currents, and the Mediterranean Sea. So the western and the southern Europe climate is depends influenced by these four areas. That's why it is different than the eastern north. Very good. How it is influenced? Just 5 minutes. Just recall Atlantic Ocean. Actually, the temperature or the climate mainly depends on the equator of land and water difference. Land and water difference and high altitudes. High altitudes. These three are important factors of a climate on every region. So, in this way, the Atlantic Ocean, it is nearer to the Western Europe. It is nearer to the Western Europe. Okay, this is the Europe continent. Okay. Oh, this is the Spain, Portugal, Spain and France, Germany here. These countries are influenced by the Western and Europe called Western and Westernized winds Atlantic Ocean. So this is the Atlantic Ocean. This Atlantic Ocean, the winds are blown from the Atlantic Ocean. Those winds are called the warm currents. Very good. The warm winds. These warm winds are influencing the climate of Western. Why? Because continuously those are flow from the south west to north east. That means in the direction. This is the equator. The southwest to north east direction. That's why this is reached the Western Europe. So it is influenced the climate. So how it is affected? These westernized winds are how it is affect on this impact on this climate? Continuously rainfall also. temperature and another one containing rainfall. Why? Because of these westernizing winds are bring some moisture. So it is also caused to the rainfall. This is the impact. And second one, the warm the currents. Currents means right the flow of ocean water. The flow of ocean water. How many currents we have? Two types of currents. How many currents we have? Two types of currents. Those are the warm currents and the cold currents. Generally, the warm currents are flow from which region? The equatorial region to polar region. Very good. The cold currents are polar region to equatorial. So in this way, these Western Europe is influenced by which current? Warm currents. Why? Because near the some means the ocean water flow from the equatorial region. So these these warm currents are again classified into two types. That is the Gulf of Stream and the very good North Atlantic drift. North Atlantic drift. So what the West Gulf of Stream? Gulf Stream means this flow of water. First it is reached the North America region. North America region. That means the Eastern America region. It is called as the Gulf Stream. Again, when it is reached the Eastern America, by the westernized winds effect, along with the westernized winds, these are touches the Western Europe. So it is called the North Atlantic drift. North Atlantic. This is also the Western, warm currents. That's why the climate of Western is also getting the heat. And another one, the warm currents are helps to develop the fish industry. Fish industry. Fish industry was developed by the warm currents. Okay. Next one, Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea. That means here the Mediterranean Sea here. These Mediterranean Sea, which countries along with the coast of Mediterranean Sea is called the Mediterranean countries. The Mediterranean climate. How is the climate? What is the characteristics? Rainy, very good. Rainy winter and what? And dry summer. It is the characteristic of the which area of the Mediterranean climate. So it is influenced the southern Europe. Now what is the Western Europe and the southern Europe is completely changed than the difference than the northern and the eastern. These northern and eastern Europe areas are influenced by the polar region. That's why it is getting very cool compared with the Western and the southern Europe. And this Mediterranean Sea, how it is helps to the people? It is helps to very good growing fruits. Okay, fruit industries. Okay, this is the climate of Europe lesson. Next, we are going to the new topic. Okay, before that, just I am asking question. Okay, right. How many planets we have? Very good. 8 planets. How many planets we have? 8 planets. What is our planet? Earth. What is our planet? Earth. Very good. The Earth has how many types of movements? That means every planet have the movements. So the Earth has how many types of movements? Very good. 2 types of movements. 2 types of movements. What are they? Very good. Rotation and what? Revolution. Rotation and revolution. What is rotation? Means the Earth rotates around on its own axis. Around on its own axis is called the rotation. Around on its own axis is called the rotation. Based on the axis. Through the axis, the Earth rotates like this from the west direction to east direction. It is called as the rotation. Okay, where it is? It is in front of the sun. Why? Because the sun is the center of the universe the sun, this earth rotate like this. Okay, earth rotate like this. When some regions is in front of the sun, some regions is in the back. So which regions are in front of the sun? Those are getting the light and the heat. You know that. So it is called the daytime. And which is in the back is called the night. So that's why on the earth some regions are getting day and nights are different from one region to another region. So by the effect of rotation is you are getting day and nights. Very good. And another movement of the earth is revolution. What is revolution? The earth rotate around the sun also. The earth rotates around the sun also. It is the movement called as the what? Revolution. It is the movement called as the revolution. So just by the rotation we are getting the day and nights. These day and nights are equal whole of the year. Whole of the year these day and nights are equal. That means daytime continues in the same hours. The sun rises in the same hours. No. What is the reason here? Because of at the time of revolution it has taken how many days? 365 and all days. This time of revolution, sometimes the earth very far from the equator, sun. Sometimes the sun nearer to the earth nearer to the sun. So in that region, in that area, sometimes we are getting very high daytime, sometimes we are very low time. So the day and the nights are different from one region to one region. Like the earth rotates like this, at the time of the sun receives the different day and nights. This is called as, very good, what is this? Seasons. This is called as seasons. That means by the revolution what we are getting? The revolution is impact on the people? Seasons. Okay. Now we learn about the seasons of the Europe continent. Now we learned about the seasons of Europe continent. Okay, just how many seasons we have? How many seasons we have? 3 seasons. We have. That means in India has 3 seasons. That is winter. Very good. Summer and rainy season. Okay, right. In these seasons are not equal in all countries. Just in Europe, Europe has 4 seasons. Europe has 4 seasons. How many seasons in the Europe? 4 seasons. Why I am asking the seasons of India? Because of in the CCU model, just we have to compare the knowledge with our surroundings. What we learned in the textbooks, that is compare with our regions. Easily we can understand what we learned. Okay, right. The seasons of Europe is 4 seasons. What are they? First one is winter. Second one what? Spring season. Third one what? Third one is summer. Fourth one, autumn season. Okay, these are the 4 seasons in Europe. These are the 4 seasons in Europe. Okay. Do you understand how many seasons in the Europe? 4 seasons. What are the seasons? Winter, spring, summer and autumn season. Okay. These are the seasons of the Europe continent. So, what are the characteristics of each and every season in Europe? Now we learn. Okay, first of all, the winter. Generally, how we can get the beginning of the winter season? Yes, the sunrise and the sunset. How? Right. In the winter season, the sun rises very late in the day. That means here the sun rises by 9 or 10 p.m. Sun rise by 9 or 10 a.m. in the morning. 10 a.m. 9 or 10. And the sun sets by 4 p.m. by 4 p.m. That means the daytime is low or high. Comparatively the other seasons, the daytime is very low in the winter. This is not only in Europe. Everywhere like this. Take the example in India also the same. Because in the India by 6:30 the or the 7 the sun rises. And by 5 o'clock the sun sets. That means the daytime is low or high. Daytime is decreasing or increasing. Daytime is increasing. This is the characteristic of winter. And another character is that in the winter we feel it's type of cool climate. Very good. This is another one. And continuously the snowfall. We see in India like this? No. Little bit snowfall here. Here also the snow falling, but it is very little comparatively the Europe. Why? Because of that is nearer to the cold region. We are living in the equatorial region. In that effect, India, this is less snowfall than the Europe. That means the Europe has high snowfall. Okay. Second, third character. Third. When the snowfall, when the high cool, what is the position of water? The water, very good, is changed into the solid form. That means in the frozen mode. Okay, water is in the completely freeze. That is changed into the solid form. So there is no water in the Europe at the time of winter. The people doing the crafts? No. The people don't do any activities. And some trees are shed their leaves. Especially indicate in the textbook which trees are grown in France. Those are broad leaf trees. Broad leaf trees are shed their leaves. Shed their leaves. These are the characteristics of the winter in which the Europe. And in which months has a winter season? Maybe November and February. November and February are the winter months in our country. Very good. November, December and to March, our country is the winter season. Yes, in the December, the temperatures slowly decreasing here. Then the winter season is starts. But here the November is the temperature slowly decreasing. Then it is up to February. So November and February, November to February is the winter months in Europe. And in which month is the very coldest month in Europe? This is one of the important area. Which month is the December? December is receiving very severe winters. December receives severe winters. Okay, these are the characteristics of. What about India? Very good. The January is the coldest month in India. January is the coldest month in India. Again I repeat, in the sunrise, then the daytime is very low because of the sunrise by 9 a.m. and at 4 p.m. It is very cool, complete the snowfall and the water completely in the freeze, and the broad leaf trees which is grown in France, Those are shade leaves, and the December is the coldest month. Okay. Next, what is the summer season? What is the spring season? March to May. March to May month is the spring season. March to May month is the spring season. In this season, sun slowly rises in the morning. That means the daytime is increases here. Daytime is increasing. Here the daytime is low. Here the daytime is increased because the sun rises is very early in the morning and sun sets in the late in the evening. So the daytime is high. And another one, here the cooling, where in the winter, but here the temperatures are increased. Temperatures are increased here. Temperatures are increased. Next one, what? Snowfall here, but it is decreasing the snowfall. Here the decreasing the snowfall not here. Why? Because the temperature slowly increasing. It affect the snowfall is not occurred in the Europe. And another one, the water in the freeze. But here slowly the water melts and flow on the earth. Flow on the earth. Okay. Here the water in the freeze, but here the water slowly melts and flow on the earth. When the water flow on the earth, immediately what we do is the farmers are ready to grow crops. So the farmers are ready to plough the lands in season. Examiner asking when did the European farmers are ready to agriculture? In which season? Spring season. Okay, spring season. In which season the water melts and flow on the earth? Spring season. The March to May, which season occurs in the Europe? Season? Spring season. Okay, right. And next one. Here the trees, that means the leaves of the trees are shed their leaves. All the trees are shed their leaves. Where it is occurred? In the winter season. But here not like that. Shoots, there are shoots. Shoots. Okay. That means here the trees are shoot their leaves. This is the situation. That means here the trees are shut down their leaves and here not like this. Okay, the daytime is increasing. These are the characteristics of the spring season. Okay, next one, go to summer season. Summer season is generally what is the character? General character is very good. Daytime is high. Okay, compare with the spring. Compared with the spring. And here the daytime nearly 16 hours to 17 hours daytime. 16 hours to 17 hours daytime. In which month is the summer month? Is June to August. Yes, June to August. June to August. So the sun rays are indirectly fall on the which regions? Polar regions. That means why? Because of at the time of revolution, the March and the September, the sun rays are fall on the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and in the June and December, sun rays are fall on the equator. Equator. That means indirectly the sun rays are fall like this. Okay, sun rays are fall like this. Equator. So this time gradually the temperatures are increasing in the polar. Why? Because the sun is here. The sun is here, the earth is here also. Earth is here in the June. So the temperature or the sun rays are fall this way. How is the way? It is slightly fall on the Europe region. Say yes or no? That's way the temperature slowly increase here. The temperature slowly increase here nearly the daytime. That means the setting of sun time is low, reducing. So nearly the daytime is 16 to 17 hours. Some countries, which countries? This is the Europe continent. Okay. Okay. These are the countries, Norway and Sweden. Completely the sun not setting here. Sun is not setting here. Completely they see the sun rays. That's why these countries have land of midnight sun. Land of midnight sun. Which countries? Norway and Sweden. Norway and Sweden. Again, which countries? Norway and Sweden called as the land of midnight sun. Generally the daytime here 16 to 17 hours, but in the June 21st, the daytime is 24 hours. The sun rises here. In which areas? Which areas? Norway and Sweden. 24 hours is the daytime in the Norway and Sweden. In which area? June 21st. Why? Because the sun rays are fall on the equator that time. This is the reason. Okay, 24 hours. And next one. What is next? The 24 hours is the daytime. And this is the and the summer season. Completely the people grow the crops. Ready to harvesting and everything. Okay, all the characteristics. Why? Because the temperature is helps to so many activities are not very good. That's like this is the very important season in the Europe. And another season, the autumn season. What here? Again, the temperatures are decreasing. That means they are ready to winter season. Here the temperatures are decreasing. And when the people are ready to start the crops in the spring season, here it is the time of harvesting. It is the time of harvesting. That means the people cut the crops. And another one. The people in the Europe to store all the food items for human beings and the animals also. Why? Because again they are getting into the cool water completely frozen and the temperatures are completely decreasing. That's why it is not helps to doing any type of activities. In the particular reason, the people to store all the food items in these countries. All the food items in these countries. These are the characteristics of which season? Autumn season. Autumn season. Okay. Again, I repeat all the characters. Right? In the winter, what we? November to February. Spring, March to May. Summer, June to August. Autumn season. Which area? Autumn season is September, October. Okay, numbers. And the daytime is very low in the winter season. Daytime slowly increasing. And then the summer daytime is very high. Again, the daytime is less. And here in the winter very cool. The temperature slowly increasing. And here the daytime is completely in the 24 hours. And another one, it is the time of daytime slowly again decreasing. And the snowfall here not like that. And another one, the freezing mode in the water. But in the spring season, water not freeze. It is the length and flow on the earth. It is helps to plug the lands. But in the summer season, they are doing all activities, all types of activities. And another one here, the temperatures or the daytime is very increasing in the summer, nearly 16 to 17 hours in the general time. But in the June month, in the month of June, the daytime is 22 to 24 hours. Because of that time, the sun rays are on the fall on the equator. In that purpose, some countries continuously the sun rise on the earth. Which countries? Norway and Sweden. Those are called the land of midnight sun. And another one, autumn season. Autumn season, temperature slowly decreasing, and it is the time of harvesting. What the people are getting all the food items and cut down and store at their home. And next they are getting into the seven winters. In that particular season, the people store their food. Okay, the fat of animals. These are the four seasons in Europe. Okay, just now you compare the seasons in Europe with India. Then easily we can understand. Okay, right? And in the next session we are going to next topic. Okay, everyone, please. Everyone bring the textbooks, because of without textbook we can't getting any